Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 26 how to embed a tweet on your account on Twitter using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Twitter account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to Twitter, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, and then to embed a tweet, click on the tweet itself, go to the arrow that points towards the bottom of the screen, click on this, and now click on embed tweet, and this will redirect you to another page that gives us the HTML code to use for our website. So if we copy the code and then we see another message on screen that says paste this code directly into the HTML portion of your site and you'll be good to go. So once we do copy this, paste this to the website, the tweet then shows up on screen on the web page. Go back to your profile, quit Safari. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.